Hello students, in the last class we discussed forward and backward interpolation formula and problems on that. We know that forward and backward interpolation formulas are only applicable for equal intervals. Now let us go to unequal intervals. Interpolation formula for unequal intervals, that is divided difference. For unequal intervals we use divided difference formula. Let f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2, so on to f of xn be the values of an unknown function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the values of x, that is x naught, x1 and so on to xn at unequal intervals. The first order divided difference are defined as follows. The first order divided difference means this column. First order divided difference column, f of x naught comma x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. Here also we have to construct the difference table. For the first difference divided difference table, f of x naught comma x1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught, that is f of x naught comma f of x1 is equal to f of x1 minus x naught, means f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught, means here also succeeding minus preceding numbers, but here we have numerator and denominator terms. F of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught. Similarly, f of x1 comma x2 is equal to f of x2 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This one, f of x1 comma x2 is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Like this we have to find all these terms. This is the formula to find the first divided difference column. F of x2 minus x3 is equal to f of x3 minus f of x2 divided by x3 minus x2 and so on to f of xn minus 1 comma xn is equal to f of xn minus f of xn minus 1 divided by xn minus 1. Next, for the higher orders, the second order divided difference are defined as follows. F of x naught, x1, x2 is equal to f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x naught minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. For second divided difference column, f of x naught, x1, x2 is equal to f of x1 minus x2 minus f of x naught minus x1. This term minus this term divided by x2 minus x naught. F of x1 minus x1, x2, x3 is equal to f of x2 minus x3 minus f of x1 comma x2 divided by x3 minus x1. So on to f of xn minus 2 comma xn minus 1 comma xn is equal to f of xn minus 1 comma xn minus f of xn minus 2 comma xn minus 1 whole divided by xn minus 2. Similarly, the higher order divided difference are defined. The tabular arrangement of these values is called the divided difference table, and this is the divided difference table. Note, the notation of divided difference should not be confused with the notation for functions of two or more variables. F of x1 comma x2 does not stand for a function of two variables x1 and x2. Similarly, f of x1, x2, x3 is not a function of x1, x2, x3 and so on. Here x1, x2 are called arguments. Means that here f of x1 comma x2, f of x1, x2, x3 are not the functions. Means f of x1 comma x2 is not a function of x1 and x2. Just this indicates the terms only. Newton divided difference formula or Newton's general interpolation formula. If f of x naught, x1, f of x1, f of x2 and so on to f of xn be a set of values of an unknown function f of x corresponding to the values of x. Values of x are x naught, x1, x2 and so on to xn at unequal intervals, then this is the Newton's divided difference formula or Newton's general interpolation formula, that is y is equal to f of x, which is equal to f of x naught plus x minus x naught into f of x naught comma x1 plus x minus x naught x minus x1 into f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 plus so on to plus x minus x naught x minus x1 and so on to x minus xn minus 1 into f of x naught x1 x2 and so on to xn.